Indica News. So today we have Dr. Malia and reporter Aditi Thakur with us. So today Dr. Malia will tell us all about COVID, how to prevent it, how to be safe from it. So firstly, I'm going to ask Dr. Malia that how you are feeling joining this conversation with us.
First of all, thank you so much for inviting me in this conversation.
It's my pleasure, Dr. Malia. So my first question to you is that as we all know in this critical time, we all need to take proper diet, proper balanced diet, and we all need to do some yoga postures or some exercises, or we all need to take some medicines, whether it's allopathic or Ayurvedic, but still we need to take some supplements to boost our immunity. So according to you, what are that supplements, what are that food, and what are that postures, exercises which can we do to boost our immunity and keep us healthy?
Some basic medicines are ashwagandha, giloy, tulsi, kada, and for yoga, anulom vilom, brahmari. For food, take all type of good nutrition.
Now, I want to ask some questions from Dr. Malia. First of all, please explain all of us about this new strain of COVID and what's new in it.
Yes, this new strain of COVID is more dangerous for all of us. This time Corona has returned with double power. The new thing is that doctor we have observed is that the new strain attack children more, so children are in more danger.
Okay, so my second question to you, Dr. Malia, is there are so many patients who are COVID infective, who are COVID positive, but still in RT-PCR test, their COVID is not coming in that test. So can you tell us what is the reason behind it? Why this is happening?
When corona newly entered in your body, because it's newly entered in your body, so it will not come in your saliva. When you test after 5-6 days, it will come on RT-PCR test because then corona is totally in your lungs.
So here's the last question from my side. What are the measures we can take to protect ourselves and our families from being positive?
I will counsel not to leave your home unless it's necessary. And when you're going outside, wear double mask, avoid going in crowded spaces, maintain social distancing, avoid touching your face, and wash your hand properly with soap.
Okay, so here's the last question, Dr. Malia, that as we all know in this lockdown period, all the students are taking online classes and all the citizens are working from home. So in this period, cervical pain is just increasing so rapidly in so many students or citizens. So can you please give us some advices or some exercises so that we can decrease this cervical pain?
We should do exercises like hand circle and neck exercises, and we should keep our back straight. And last of all, I just want to say stay safe.
Thank you, doctor, for solving some common problems related to COVID-19.
Okay, thank you so much, Dr. Malia and reporter Aditi Thakur for joining us today. That's all for today. You all keep watching Indica News.